Okay, first question, Malvindo. What is the source of human voice?
The source of human voice is throat.
Throat. Okay. Next question. Theo, what is the function of the source of the sound? The function of What is the function of the source of the sound? Can you tell? What can the loud sound do to our ears? What can the loud sound do to our ears? What does happen if you hear the loud sound? The loud sound can
The loud sound can
Okay, it's okay. We skip this one. Next to Jonathan. What is the example of loud sound?
loud sound
Yeah.
as a bird, firework.
Okay. So now, question number 5 for Kevin. Okay. What is the example of quiet sound?
The example of quiet sound is whisper.
Whisper. Okay, very nice. Next, we move to IPAS.
Okay.
Tumbuhan bunga atau tumbuhan yang memiliki bentuk daun yang indah dapat digunakan sebagai apa fungsi tumbuhan dengan daun dan bunga yang indah? Sebagai apa dia? Apa fungsinya? Sebagai You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay, next, Theo. Bahan untuk menyuburkan tanaman disebut Bahan untuk menyuburkan tanaman disebut
I cannot.
Oke, Francisca. Proses menghirup dan mengeluarkan nafas disebut Proses menghirup dan mengeluarkan udara disebut
Bernafas.
Oke. Jonathan, gas yang diperlukan Theo, stand for everyone. Gas yang diperlukan untuk bernafas disebut
Oksigen.
oksigen. Kevin, apakah hasil dari pengolahan kapas? Kapas dapat diolah menjadi apa yang bisa dibuat dari kapas? Oke, tidak tahu. Oke, it's okay. Next, math. Yeah, please take one by one. Use the blank paper. Do not open the rest. Okay?
So who is this?
This one talking. Okay, listen to my question. Donnie and Budi has 11 crayons.
That means 11.
Budi and Donnie has 11 crayons.
Okay.
And Donnie has one more crayons than Budi. Donnie has one more crayon than Budi. Jonathan, the question is, how many crayon does Budi has?
Okay. Jadi Nastan is.
Sorry?
Nastan is what?
Sorry?
Nastan is what?
How
What I
many?
said.
How many crayon does Budi have? Just now I explained that they have 11 altogether, right?
Yeah. Okay. Then plus all what? Yeah. I don't want to say. Plus all what?
I don't know. Why do you ask me about the question?
Oh, wait. Wait, yeah.
Sure.
We have
The total crayons that they have is
Doni
Yeah.
and Budi. Nah, what happened at CCTV?
okay. Focus on your answer first. Hey, let me check your answer.
Budi, how to spell ya?
Okay,
Wait, I not said
Budi. Budi.
UDI.
Yeah, it's correct. Next.
Okay.
Okay.
Adi. Ready ya?
Okay.
Okay. Yo.
Okay.
Yo.
So can you take that one first?
Sorry.
Jonathan, where's yours?
My paper can't get
That is your paper. It's a follow.
I know.
Okay. Okay. Next question.
Frozen.
Ya, we'll see later. Sekarang matematika.
Okay.
Kalian perlu mengurutkan bilangan-bilangan ini dari yang paling kecil menjadi yang paling besar.
Mana?
Oke, perhatikan bilangannya. Urutkan bilangan ini dari yang paling kecil menjadi yang paling besar.
Urutkan.
Iya. Dari yang paling kecil ke yang paling besar. No, just answer directly. Nih, lihat dulu angkanya ini belum.
Terbesar dari terkecil.
Iya. Tadi saya bilang enggak, benar-benar dari yang terkecil ke terbesar.
Oh. Oke, berarti berangkat dulu.
Ya, jadi, oke, oke. Okay, Grayson, answer my question. This is about science. What is the source of human voice? What is the source of human voice?
Claps hand.
Human voice.
Throat.
You need to answer well actually. The source of human voice. Say it. You have to say like that. Grayson. The source of human voice. Say it.
Is
You have to say like that. The source of human voice. Follow me. The source of human voice
the source of human voice
is.
is
What is the answer?
throat.
Throat. Yeah. Next question, Michelle. What is the function of the source of the sound? The function
The function
of the source
of the source
of the sound
of the sound
is.
is
What is the function of our throat? What is the function of our throat?
sound
To produce
to produce
sound.
sound.
Right. Okay. Next, Gracelyn. Can you give example? What is the example of loud sound? What is the example of loud sound? You know? Okay, next. Gilbert. What can the loud sounds do to our ears? What can the loud sounds do to our ears? Can you? Can you answer? What can the loud sounds do to our ears? Okay. Killing. What is the example of quiet sound? What is the example of quiet sound? Can you? Okay, next we move to IPAS. Killing. Bahan untuk menyuburkan tanaman disebut. Bahan untuk menyuburkan tanaman disebut. Subur apa? Bahan untuk menyuburkan tanaman. Oke, Gilbert. Bahan untuk menyuburkan tanaman disebut.
Air.
Selain itu, bahan-bahan kimia untuk menyuburkan tanaman disebut. Oke. Gasoline. Gas yang diperlukan untuk bernafas disebut. Gas yang diperlukan untuk bernafas. Iya, betul. Michelle, bahan yang untuk menyuburkan tanaman disebut. Bahan yang digunakan untuk menyuburkan tanaman. Apa? Bisa?
Air.
Selain itu? Bisa? Grayson, apa bahan yang digunakan untuk menyuburkan tanaman?
Siram tanaman.
Apa bahan yang digunakan untuk menyuburkan tanaman? Bahan-bahan yang digunakan untuk membuat tanaman menjadi subur. Bisa? Saya nggak ada yang tahu. Pupuk. Okay, listen to my question. Saya mau kalian mengurutkan angka-angka di sini. Ini tulis, ambil masing-masing satu. Oke, urutkan angka-angka berikut dari yang terbesar ke yang terkecil. Iya, langsung jawaban saja tulis. Jawabannya saja tulis. Ready?
Not yet. Ready.
Make it quick. Ready?
Already. Not yet. Already.
Okay.
Go. Not yet.
Not yet. Make it quick. Let me check your answer. Oke. Dari yang terbesar ke yang terkecil.
Masuk.
Bisa? Yes. It's okay, Grayson. It's okay. I will give the score for you.
Then erase again. Dog.